and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Cynthia and I'm here today to unbox March's Lookfantastic Beauty Box. Now if you guys are already subscribed to me then you'll know that there is a little bit of a change in the way that I look in my appearance, and yes, I've had my hair cut and I absolutely love it. Like, my hair really needed it. If you go back and watch some of my previous videos you'll see like the ends of them were really dead, and can't believe that I didn't deal with it sooner because it just feels so much healthier, thicker and smoother now that I've got all of those bits cut. I'm really looking forward to like looking after my hair now and, you know, just not, you know, mistreating it with lots of heat every single day, because my hair is actually naturally curly but I prefer to like have it styled like this. I don't know, it's just a personal preference. I prefer it like that and I can't seem to get over it. But yeah, anyway, enough about my hair. But if you guys do want to find out a little bit more, I'll leave a blog post about my journey and my haircut, where I got it done. I got it done in Sister Joan salon in Margate. They're a new salon. They've only been open for a few months. Go check them out. I'll leave the link for that down below. But anyway, today we are going to be unboxing March's Lookfantastic Beauty Box. Now March is my favourite month of the year because it's my birthday. I turned 21 this month, which is absolutely insane. I know I don't look it, I've got quite a baby face, so yeah, it's kind of hard to believe that I'm going to be turning 21. I don't feel like I should have that much responsibility in my life. Yeah, I'm still quite very immature. Never mind. Anyway, let's move on to the beauty box. So this is what this month's beauty box looks like. Now it's a bit of a change in the packaging. Really like it. Vibrant sort of blues and purples running through there, which is interesting because usually they just had like two tones of like the same colour, but it's nice to see them mixing up with the packaging for this month. So inside you usually get your beauty box magazine. Now on the back here we've got a little bit of a sneak peek. So last month's one was, I believe, The Ordinary. So I'm already expecting one of the products in here this month, so sorry, a little bit of a giveaway there. But anyway, for next month we've got introducing Lookfantastic Beauty Egg. Now I got this last year, received it as a PR package, absolutely amazing. I think it retailed around something like 70 to 80 pounds. Really worth it because you get about like 6 to 7 sort of full-size products in there, and they're really good products. So I'm excited to see like the details for that. So it says here, as a beauty box subscriber, we'd like to offer you an incredible discount. Keep an eye on social channels for details. So if you guys are already subscribed, then yeah, you've got a bit of a discount coming. Check your inboxes. And if not, this might be a good sort of incentive to subscribe, I guess, this month. Anyway, the next thing is your complimentary Elle Magazine, and we have Michelle Williams on the front cover for this month. Oh, and also one thing that I forgot to mention is something that I really enjoy about the beauty boxes is as you open the lid, there's a little bit of a quote here, and this month's quote is, "Get ready to steal the spotlight." In the spotlight, we're welcoming in the month of March by bringing focus on some of our favourite beauty products. Sharing the spotlight this month are some incredible products that will cover you from head to toe, with some incredible skincare products to cosmetics that will centre stage in your makeup bag. This month is sure to be a showstopper. It's a bit of a tongue twister there. In this edition of the Beauty Box magazine, we're sharing some key beauty trends for spring / summer 2019, chatting to some of our oldest subscribers and shining a spotlight on one of our favourite ingredients of the moment. So let's see what's inside. Oh, this is just the worst bit, is just peeling this sticker off. I want to do it neatly, but I've done it again. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the contents of the box. Now already I can see some amazing brands in there, so I'm going to start off by picking up the Ordinary product that I mentioned earlier. This was a sneak peek for last month, so I was already expecting this month. Now you get a full-size version, I believe it's 30 millilitres, and it's a hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5 hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. Okay, so that is what the product looks like, and it comes with sort of pipette, so you can take several drops out of there. So this is essentially a serum that is designed to hydrate your skin. Says here that you could store this in the fridge for a refreshing boost upon application. And directions for use is to apply a few drops to the face in the morning and evening before moisturiser. So really looking forward to using that. I've tried The Ordinary before. I already know that a really good affordable brand. Really look into the ingredients that they put into their products. I've tried one of their moisturisers and a primer before when I was a lot younger, and I absolutely loved them, so no doubt this is going to be a great product. So next up in this month's beauty box is from the brand Rituals, and it's the Ritual of Sakura, I'm not too sure how to pronounce it, and it's a soothing hand balm. It's cherry blossom and rice milk. Now the key ingredient to this is the organic rice milk, and it's essentially just going to make your hands feel extra moisturised. Now I already love the brand Rituals. I was introduced to them a long time ago because my mum is a massive fan of this brand, so I already know that I'm probably going to absolutely love this. In fact, I'm going to try a little bit now. Oh gosh, yeah, that smells delicious. I can really smell the cherry coming through in that. Super hydrating. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep that on my desk at work because that is really nice. I love having like a hand balm next to my desk just as, you know, something to do when I'm bored, and it's always nice to moisturise your hands. Then we have something from the brand Madara. I've tried this brand before thanks to Lookfantastic and their beauty box subscriptions. So I think it was like a moisturiser a long time ago. But anyway, here we have an anti-pollution charcoal and mud repair mask. I love a good face mask. Comes boxed up here, and I think you get quite a fairly good sized, yeah. And yeah, so there's 12.5 millilitres in there, enough for about, I don't know, like 2 to 3 uses. It's quite good. And it says here, target signs of aging and detoxes. Usage: apply to clean skin, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse. It didn't even say that, I made that up. It says leave for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse thoroughly, use 2 or 3 times per week. Okay, so we have here, editor's tip. If you have dry skin, we'd suggest following the use of this mask with a hyaluronic rich moisturiser to give the skin a hydration boost. Yeah, looking forward to that. I did actually really like the moisturiser. So again, I believe that this is a brand that I can trust, and hopefully I'll enjoy the use of this. Next up is a brand that really excites me. I love this brand. It's Amoravitsa. I know a lot of people pronounce it differently, and I'm not too sure how to say it correctly, so I'm not going to say one or the other, I'm going to say both, just in case I'm wrong either way. But anyway, this is a brand that's created in Budapest. If you guys haven't seen already, I uploaded my Budapest vlog last week, so if you want to check that out. Then you can follow me around my travels for Budapest. Really love that city. It's got some really nice views that overlook the whole city, and it's great to go sort of like in the evening times just so that you can see the sunset and the lights come on. It's gorgeous. I would recommend it, and the thermal baths are great too. Anyway, enough about Budapest, more about Amoravitsa. So we've got a cleansing foam here, which is really exciting. I love this brand so much. I mean, thanks to Lookfantastic, I have tried multiple of their products, including face mist, moisturisers, a cleansing foam as well previously. I'm not sure if it was a smaller version of this and this is a larger version, but anyway, you get 30 millilitres here, and I'm really looking forward to using it. This product doesn't have any of those harmful sulfates, which we love, and it says here that you should massage into damp skin in a circular motion, stimulate circulation and blood flow. So really looking forward to the use of that later on today when I remove all of my makeup. Next, my friends, is something that I wasn't quite expecting at all, and it's from the brand Morphe or Morphe. So I've had this dilemma with my friends the other week when we were getting ready for a night out, and I bought my what I call Morphe palette along with me, and I asked them if they wanted to maybe borrow a few of the shades from my palette, and they said that I was pronouncing it wrong, and apparently it's Morphe, but I've always known it to be Morphe. So please could somebody give me some clarity and let me know in the comments down below if you have a clue whether or not it's supposed to be pronounced Morphe or Morphe. Anyway, enough about the pronunciations. more about the product. So we have here a highlighter, and this is in the shade Spark, and if I can get it out of its box then I will show you. Okay, so I finally got it out of its box, and it's chipped my nail a little bit unfortunately, but anyway, we've got the product out. Really pretty golden shade. I don't know if you can kind of see a little bit of a swatch there. In fact, I'm going to apply a little bit as a little bit of a demonstration. Okay, so I've just done this in the viewfinder, but anyway, can you see the glow on that? That is insane. Like, I'm already wearing highlighter anyway, but you can see that it's like popped out a bit more just by applying some of this. Now it says here in the editor's tip, for a glowy and beachy look, we love using this as an eyeshadow. So multi-purpose here, we love that. I'm really looking forward to using that because I already love the eyeshadows. I've never tried any of the other products, so as I already know the pigmentation in the eyeshadows are great, I already had no doubt about this, so I'm going to continue to enjoy the use of this. What an exciting product. Okay, and last but not least, we have an Eos Balm. Now, I've already loved this brand because I use them a lot when growing up, and everyone used to collect all the different colours of the Eos Balms, and when, you know, like the whole pastel blogger and floral blogger was a thing. Yeah, so I have already tried this brand before. I already really love them. Really nice and moisturising, and I like the sort of design of it too. So it says here that the products may vary, so I've got this white one, and I'm not too sure what the scent is for this, but I'll leave everything down linked in the description with all the information on whether it's a full-size product or not, etc. Anyway, this says here, to achieve perfectly soft lips with this handy lip balm enriched with moisturising shea butter and conditioning oils to give you softer and nourished lips. Certified 100% organic and natural, this hyperallergenic lip balm is an essential for the cooler months. So yeah, I would put a bit on now, but like I'm gonna stain it because it's white and I'm wearing white lipstick, but I already know it's a really nice lip balm. Anyway guys, that pretty much brings us to the end of this video. That is everything in this month's Lookfantastic Beauty Box, and what a beauty box this month is. Quite a lot of sort of larger sized products, and quite a lot of great brands in there too, so I'm really looking forward to using everything. I definitely know that I'm going to probably love all of the products because I love pretty much every single product that Lookfantastic put in their beauty boxes. They put a lot of thought into what they put in them, so that's mainly the reason why. So if you guys want to subscribe and all of that, I'm going to leave information for that down below so you can check that out. I think the longer you subscribe for, the cheaper it gets. So if you do like a 12-month subscription, it's like, for example, I think £13 a month off the top of my head. If you're only just doing it just for the one-off, just for one of the boxes, you maybe want to treat yourself or give it away as a gift, I think it might be like £15 for the box if you're just buying it as a one-off. So yeah, definitely is worth subscribing because save a bit of money on there, and you get some really great products inside. So I guess I'm going to wrap this video up now. I can't give you a sneak peek for next month because I know there will be another beauty box, but the sneak peek for the next month is the whole beauty egg collection. So if I can get my hands on that, then I'll make sure to do an unboxing, to keep an eye out for that. And last but not least, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can find me on my Instagram. I'm a lot more active on that. I try to post daily about fashion and beauty and my lifestyle, so make sure you go and follow me over there as well to keep in the loop of everything. And yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your day, evening, week, month, and I'll see you in my next video. So thanks for watching again. Bye!